Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Notion template from an existing page. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and duplicate the page you want to turn into a template. So just right click on that page, then click here on duplicate, and I'll duplicate it with the content. And then after that, I want you to just go ahead and open up any database where you want to. Go ahead and insert that existing page, right, as a template. So you just come here and you click on new page. And then after you have the page, you just come here, click on open. And what you want to do is you just want to come here and press enter right here to create a page. And then from here, all you need to do is just go ahead and drag the new duplicate page you created. So there we go. We're adding it right there. And now you can come here, click on that, and then let's just go ahead and open this up in a new page. As you can see, it shows up here as well. So what we'll do now, we'll go back here. We'll go ahead and open this up as such. So I'll click here, and then I'll click on open in new tab. And then after that, what we'll do, we'll go ahead and click on this, and then we'll come here and just click on turn it into inline database. And as you can see, it becomes now visible. And that is how to go about it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.